The boat you're looking at is a 2008 Regal 33 Window Express. Boat's located in Carolina Beach, North Carolina. The current owner has decided to purchase more of a down east picnic style boat, which is why Rocketman is available on the market. You can see on the hull probably there's just a little bit of dock rash, but that's not damage, and that will buff off, which is due to get taken care of next week. Also, there is a full enclosure on order, a replacement enclosure on order for the bimini top, and that's expected to be done sometime approximately early June. As we approach the swim platform, you can see the swim platform has teak. Get a little better view of that over here. The boat has been waxed within the past month or so, so the dark blue gel coat is in great shape. There are a few small scratches that you can see here on the starboard side, but nothing bad. And you can see up forward we have a remote control spotlight, and underneath that hatch there is a windlass. Again, this boat has a lot of nice windows, a lot of nice natural light into the cabin. And again, as mentioned, the new enclosure is on order. Excellent headroom below the canvases. Stepping on board, up into the cockpit. The cockpit carpets were new in 2016. You can see on the starboard side here we've got a wet bar, that's an ice maker. This boat truly is exceptionally clean for her age. So off on the port side here we've got a crescent shaped companion seat. And I hope the video gives an idea of how clean the boat is. It's only had two owners, both from Carolina, had the boat in Carolina Beach. That is a fold-away aft seat, so if you want more room in the cockpit, you can fold it away. If you want the seating capacity, then obviously you can leave it in the folded out position that it is now. So panning back around is our helm seat. Again, I don't see any splits or tears in the vinyls. See all of our helm switches here off on the starboard side. Moving forward to our shifts and throttles. Full gauge package. Plus, this boat also has a rudder angle indicator for your Outdrives. Got a digital depth finder right up here. Control for the spotlight. Here's our Raymarine C80 GPS chart plotter and our Raymarine VHF radio. Okay, we are now looking down in the cabin of Rocketman. You can see all the way forward. We've got our master bed, a nice, large, comfortable sofa on the starboard side. like new teak and holly flooring. Got our galley off on the port side here. Another look up at the forward bed area. This boat truly is in excellent condition. And over to the head, which we've got right here, which is the vacuum flush head system, which is the most desirable head. Try to keep me out of this video. So we've got the sink and vanity. Close that back up, and as we look aft, you can see got a nice large mid cabin. Those are sun pads for the forward bow and also for the cockpit. And as we come up here, we got a nice flat screen TV. And again, everything is in great shape. Got surround sound speakers. No mold, no smells, no stains. This boat really is in excellent condition. I'm gonna step back out to the cockpit, and we actually have the engine hatch up now. It's an electric hatch, so bear with me for just a second while we get back there. Right down here, we've got a hot cold shower. Moving back the swim platform again, and you can see engine access. You're now looking into the engine room of Rocketman. You can see you've got excellent access. Twin Volvos, rated at 320 horsepower. Got the Kohler generator with a sound shield. Several excellent characteristics with these engines. They have less than 400 hours at about 390 or so on May 5th of 2018. And also the current owner replaced the composite outdrives with the Volvo metal Ocean X drives in 2014. So this is anything but a standard boat. Engine room shows as well above average, clean, well maintained. So again, 33-foot Regal, Rocketman, located in Carolina Beach, North Carolina. Recently reduced to $79,900, offered by MarineMax of North Carolina. Mike Knoll, 910-620-9903. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.